Alright guys, my name's Scott. This is my first loot crate slash level up I've done. That's some stuff I got from Loot Crate in the past. Alright, let's start with the level up. Let's see what we got in here. Power book. Looks like it's going to be a big poster. We'll open that in a minute. Oh, Lord of the Rings. Set you guys down over here for a second. Looks like a pretty nice Lord of the Rings long sleeve t-shirt with the ring insignia on it. Go ahead and put that down there for a minute. Get that out of the way. Alright, let's see what's in the box. I already cut it so I could do this one-handed. Oh. Alright, let's start with the Power Glove Oven Mitt from Marvel. That's pretty awesome. Cool thing to use. Ooh, Dragon Ball with the dragon. Got number 4. Shouldn't have even come with the dragon. You need all 7. Let's see. We got the pin. Pretty cool power armor pin. Got a big Hulk. Put that up there somewhere. Probably behind the Joker. Next to Vault Boy. And looks like we got another t-shirt. I'm gonna assume it's gotta do something with Warcraft. Not Warcraft. Yeah, probably Warcraft. Alright guys, that is the box, and then you got the magazine. And then the inside of the box looks pretty awesome. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And I'll try to do more of these in the future. Thanks. See ya.